Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand dishwasher. How to test, how to reset the cycle, otherwise how to test the machine. This is the topic today. I will show you how to test this dishwasher. This is latest model in UAE. This dishwasher. Now I'm going to show you how to test this machine. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. A warranty motor, this one having all the related latest options, the smart thinq tag on, also smart diagnostic test also having. Now I'm going to show you how to restart the machine, otherwise how to q test the quick test mode, how to activate. We have to press start button, power switch, and high temperature and energy save button. This two also we at the same time power on button. Now you can see here. Now you can see here. It is already it's already activate. Now all the lights are blinking. All the option auto, intensive, delegate, eco turbo, download cycle, everything. All the displays are working. Half load, child lock, everything is working. Now what I'm going to do, when I'm pressing start button, this machine, everybody in our field, everybody knows this one dry system not available in inbuilt dry heater. This one we are telling hybrid dry system. Now first we are pressing this one, one time pressing is realized. Now first pressing machine detergent detergent tablet drawer, it will open. You can see, you can hear the noise. I cannot show you. Now you can see it is heard the noise. Now second press, third press. Now hybrid motor will open, at the same time water will drain. Now you can see here. Now at the same time it's a hybrid dry motor also. See, increasing, you can see here. Now drain motor already start here, indicating. Now I will press again. Now you can see, now again increasing. Now at the same time water will come inside the machine. If you thinking now enough water consumption, continue. At the same time we can stop. At the same time wash motor will start. Now you can see here still taking water inside the machine. Now enough, I will press again start button, wash motor will start. Now here indicating this salt and dry indicator is blinking. Now again I will press the start button. Now you can see the all the levers inside with the pump, all the levers will start will work. The vario valve opening inside the machine. Now at the same time, see, you can see here increasing. Now wash motor is running well. I can hear the noise. Now in this here is showing 249, 250, 256 like that. It is the frequency also showing. Now I will open the door also, I can show you. See the all the things, it is already open here. This one open already, tablet drawer, also motor working properly. Now again motor will start. Now again I will press. Now it will come ILO. It will show again OLO. Now I will press again. Now again it's wash motor is working. You can hear the noise. Now I will press again. Now machine will get shut down. And this is the way how to test this dishwasher. I think you learned something watching while you are watching this video, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks watching again my channel.